Hey guys, how's it going? How to basically change your name in Roblox. So first of all, you can just go back to your screen and then go ahead to the Roblox website. Basically what you're gonna do next, you're gonna just go ahead and log in with your username and password, and then tap the menu icon, 3 horizontal lines, and then in the upper left corner, and then click the settings from here. So you're gonna see the settings option from here, or you can just go ahead to to your profile, right? I think that's consider, or not the here, not here. You can click the settings here at the top right, and then go ahead and click the settings, and then access the account info, and basically you can just go ahead right here and see this is the account info and this is the displayed name. You can just go ahead and click the pencil to change the username and enter the new desired username and password and confirm the change. Note that changing your username requires a Robux fee, typically 1000 Robux, and then basically confirm changes. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.